This is the difference between Chinese Heims and good Heim. Got that. Now you got FK rod in here. Go USA. So you don't like my whole blackout thing?
I don't like it. I think it's over.
I only do it at the end. Like he does it all the time though.
I think it's overdone. Like every YouTuber that's trying to figure out how to do camera tricks or whatever and does this number, and it drives me nuts.
No, I usually only do it for like the ending of the video or something. I'm like, peace.
You know, like
that'll end it, then it'll go into like the end screen.
Here's what I equate it to. You know, when you're hanging out with someone, like you go to the restaurant and they just finished their soda and they're still thirsty, so they can start grabbing ice. That's how much it annoys me.
I like eating ice, especially on a plane. We're gonna go on a plane and you're gonna be sitting next to me and I'm gonna drink my can of Sprite or ginger ale because it ran out of Sprite by the 3 aisles in, and then I'll start chomping on my ice and you'd be like, I didn't come here to blow this plane up, but now I am.
No, dude, I'm sure half the population agrees with me. If you crunch your ice, you deserve to die.
Well, if you sit next to me on a plane, I'm eating the ice.
Hey, Kevin.
Yeah.
Catch. All right, Kevin, what are we doing?
Getting ready to notch out these last 2 pieces we're gonna put in here. They're gonna go up in the corners, kind of complete the look here that we got going. It's pretty slick. Finish welding it, put the roof on, then off the powder coat and installs, and the customer can come pick it back up. Ready?
It's been recording this whole time.
All right, it's been recording. It's been recording me, on me, eyes on me, right here. Not here, here, up here. I look good.
Look fine to me.
All right.
You're glistening like fucking Edward from Twilight.
Sorry, I froze for a second. All right, guys, we just pulled off the cage for the XP1000. Finishing welding it, get all the corners and stuff a little bit easier when it's off the machine to get the bottom side here and then up in the joints. But everything's TIG welded and stuff, so be nice and buttery, awesome welds. All right, guys, that's it for this episode of Spang's World. Like this video, it helps us out a lot. Subscribe if you're not already, and comment down below what you think we should name this cage. We'll see you on the next one. I gotta get back to work. What are you doing? Why are you laughing? I was getting ready to do it.
Fucking dumbass. Okay, I think I'm ready.
All right, guys. I'm getting ready to knock out a baller here, and you're like, oh.
All right, go.
No, you're not even ready. Cameraman ready yet? All right. Dude, how are we gonna make it to Hollywood like this?
Well, you gotta quit laughing all the time. All right, final run through. All right, guys, thanks for watching this edition of Spang's World.
Dude, I'm not saying this edition of Spang's World. But anyways.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to Spang's World.
I'm not saying TNT either.
Why?
Because that sounds dumb.
Oh, and peace is okay?
Peace.
Okay.
Yeah, then you can put stickers later and merch and stuff, and it'd be peace sign stickers, and you add it in there. Then everyone's like, peace. And then you bring it back.
All right, Spang's World. All right, guys, thank you for. All right, my fellow humans. All right, guys, thanks for watching Spang's World.
All right, my fellow UTV riders.
No, just say, all right, thanks for watching Spang's World. That's it for this one. That's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching Spang's World. That's it for this one. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for watching this one.
Spang's World!
Why do we
Holy!
need to put Spang's World? They know what they're watching.
You introduce it with Spang's World.
Yeah, they should know what they're watching by the